If you copy and paste these links on the right website, you will be on your way to earning between $50 to $500 or even more. The more links you paste, the more money you will make. Garbage in, garbage out. If you have a mobile phone or a computer laptop or desktop and internet data, then keep watching this video. Now, though the caption for this video says how to make money online in Nigeria, but this make money online video works for you no matter the country that you are presently resident in. This is not a gimmick, this is not a clickbait. So, how much can you earn doing this simple task? Depending on how many copying and pasting you can do, you can make anything from $50 and $500 or even more. So, the first thing I want you to do is to go to Google and install a Chrome extension called Check My Links. Once installed, come here and pin this extension to your taskbar for easy access. So, what are we going to be doing with this Chrome extension? Simple. There are millions of websites on the internet that are looking for ways to increase what we call their SEO scores and then rank their website on Google first page. In fact, this website will do anything to try to make sure that their website tops Google search results. If you have a website already, you know what I'm talking about. But I know what you may be thinking. I don't know anything about SEO. Relax, we are not doing anything like SEO in this video. So now, one of the things that make website not to rank on Google is when that website has broken links on them. What is a broken link? Let me demonstrate. So I see this link and I click on it with the hope of going to see what is on this page, and then boom, the page is no longer existing. How do you feel? Disgusted, right? This is a perfect illustration of what a broken link is. And you are not the only one that gets disgusted at these kinds of dead links. Google is disgusted, Yandex is disgusted, Bing is disgusted. All other search engines out there feel disgusted also when they see websites with these types of dead links. And it gives website visitors a bad experience, and this is exactly what Google does not want to see. When you have these bad links leading nowhere on your website, Google will punish that website and push it down and down on Google search results and reduce the SEO score of such a website. This is the reason why website owners dread these broken links and no one wants it to be on their website. But the truth is that many of the times it's beyond what a website owner can control. And this is where we are going to be making our money from. So what we are going to be doing now is to go ahead and look for websites that have these broken links on them. You can look for any kind of website of your choice, and that will be even one of the easiest part because you can just do your normal Google search for a list of websites, visit different pages on that website, especially the blog articles from the blog page of that website. Once you are on that page, come up here to check my link icon and click on it. Immediately, this Chrome extension will detect and generate the different types of links on this website. But the one we are looking for is the broken links, which appear in red. Copy the URL of this page and save it somewhere. Then go ahead and repeat this same exercise on other pages of this website, and for any page that you discover any broken link, note down the URL of that page. Go ahead and do the same for another website and give yourself a target for the day. For instance, you could do for 10 websites every 2 hours and then you are done for the day. But always remember that the more websites you are able to do this for, potentially, the more money you will be able to make. And once you're done with your checks and compilation on these website pages, go ahead and contact the owners of this website and inform them of the presence of broken links on their websites. It is not uncommon to see some website owners who don't even know the impact of these links on their domain authority score. So you might have to lecture them a little. And afterwards, tell them that you have scanned through a few of their pages and discovered these broken links, and that you will be willing to help them search even more pages. Then go ahead and tell them that you will compile related active links that they can use to replace these dead links, thereby taking the work off them. All they will just have to do is to get the related working links from you and then go ahead and fix it on their website. You don't even have to know anything about website management or SEO to do this, and then you can charge them any amount depending on your bargaining skills. But remember that you won't show them where these broken links are until you agree a deal. To get links that they can use to replace the dead link is easy. Again, just go back to Google and type in the keyword related to the keywords that this website linked their broken links on, and once you find related pages, copy the URL, match each of them up with the dead URL of the website you're working on, then compile them and then complete your task and get your money from them. It's that easy, guys. So how will you be able to contact these website owners after discovering these broken links on their website? It's very simple. Practically, all websites will have a contact us page. So go there and you will see the contact of these website owners. And then depending on your preferred choice, you can either message them, you can mail them, or give them a live call. So how much can you charge offering this service? Honestly, you have the freedom to charge anything between $30 to $100 or even more, depending on how many broken links you were able to discover on their website, whether you will be the one to help them find the related links to replace them with, or if they want specialized tasks like you being the one to help them to do the fixing of those bad links within their website. That's if you have a little knowledge about website management. And if you are good with website management, you can also offer to help them do the fixing. This opens up room for you to even charge them extra fees. But of course, even if you know nothing about websites, you can go ahead and just give them the bad links and then the good links to replace them with. After all, most of them will even want to fix those bad links by themselves. And so how do you get paid? Well, if you're working with an international client, your new client can pay you by PayPal, or you can even make payments easier by opening a freelancing account on a freelancing website such as Fiverr, and then send them your order link. Fiverr is a reputable and trusted global marketplace. So this will easily solve the trust and payment issues for the both of you. So go ahead and give this a try and let me know in the comment section if you think this is achievable and if you will give this opportunity a try. For more Make Money online videos like this, then subscribe to this channel. And if you want more Make Money online opportunities like this, then watch any of the videos currently displayed on your screen. Any of them will work perfect for you.